Hello everybody. I'm going to be talking about the Performance Chalet Bulls. I placed this class 1, 4, 2, 3. Reason being, 1 and 4 were both heavy muscled bulls, yet 4 had longer neck and better strides, except 4 was just a little bit, his feet were offset just a little bit. 4 and 2, they were both a heavy muscle bull with a lot of stride in with them. The number 2 bull was a better stride, but his pins were off. Was a better stride bull, but his pins were off. 2 and 3, again, they were both muscle bulls with long necks. 3 had just long, good stride and everything, except he was not the greatest. His pins were not the greatest thing, and that's all. Thank you.